This is On Tilt Trading. Let's go through my pre-market analysis. Right now I'm looking at LITECOIN. I'll walk you through what I'm seeing here on LITECOIN. This is the 1 minute chart. This is the 15-minute chart. This is the 4-hour chart. Here on the 15-minute chart, I notice LITECOIN setting up on the Camarilla pivots here. Here at the R3 level. My trade idea is an R3 to an S3 short trade. Also, this is the 200 exponential moving average, this blue line here. And we can see price action is trading below it here on the 4-hour. We can see it. This is the level here on the 15-minute, and price action is right at it and has just traded below. We can see the 200 EMA here on the 1 minute. We can see price action below. So seeing this correlation between the Camarilla pivots and the 200 moving average, I have a short bias and a short trade idea on LITECOIN this morning. Additionally, I put these Fibonacci retracements up, and I'll walk you through what I was seeing here. So here at about 4, we can see with this candle, price action closes below the 200 EMA and then breaks out below it. So this would confirm that price action, for me, would confirm that price action can sell below the 200 EMA level. So for this, I would wait for the lowest point in this price action before pullback, and then set up a Fibonacci retracement. So for this area, I'd set up the retracement up here, and then take it here. And then I try to take position at the 0.6 or 0.618 level, which would be this 84.95. So it would have me taking a position right up in these two candles in the upper halves of these two candles for an entry. And had I done that, we'd see that selling would continue here, and I'd be in a pretty good position. And then down here on the 15-minute, we're getting some pullback. I'll show you this Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so we've got selling here just short of the R4 level, down here to the R3 level. Sold off, currency pair sold off below here. Two options here when it comes to the retracement level. The retracement level could be set up here at the top and placed down, and would expect pullback up here to this 85.03 level, or someone may take this green candle down here and say that that's the pullback, and then that would put the level here at this 84.61. So depending on whether or not you want to count this green candle as pullback, I particularly don't like it just because the preceding candle is higher. But this candle is also engulfed by this previous candle. So I can't say for sure whether or not this candle is going to be the best Fibonacci level or this candle. It's just going to depend on how aggressive the pullback is. But you can certainly try this candle first. also this seems to be struggling here at the R3 level. But this is pre-US market open, so it's difficult to tell when the volume comes in whether or not this currency pair will want to pull back to here or pull back up in this level. It's definitely too early to tell. I'm going to put the level at the extremes for now and see how they go coming forward. And then again, as I mentioned, the target would be down here. Ideally, when taking these types of positions short, you want to enter either at the halfway point here of the zone or closer to R4. So this is the area that I would want to look to take the trade in. So this shorter or this smaller retracement wouldn't put me in the most ideal position. But I'm currently waiting for the U.S. market to open and for things to settle in a little bit before I take a position. I've just observed over the weeks that when I take positions in the market pre-U.S. open, when the volume comes in, the market profile changes, and I wound up chopping myself up and spending the rest of the day trying to correct my P&L if at all possible, and my psychology. So now just going to give things some time. The trades that I take are based off of technicals on the daily chart. So these things can take a while to set up and take a while to play out. So I want to give myself some time to let the volume come in, and basically I've observed that my trading is better when I'm reacting to market conditions instead of having a bias and predicting and going based on pre-market activity instead of actual market open activity. But we'll see how that goes today. And this is my pre-market analysis. This is on Tilt Trading. We'll see you next time.